Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Katapult Marketing Channel. We are a Florida-based digital marketing agency, and we help any business to building high-end digital strategies that actually convert. You're a master at fixing leaks, restoring roofs, or keeping the AC running. But if your phone isn't ringing, great craftsmanship doesn't matter. The truth is, your ideal customers are searching for you right now. They just can't see you through a few easily fixable digital blind spots. If you own a home service company and feel invisible online, you are not imagining things. Many plumbers, HVAC contractors, electricians, roofers, restoration companies, landscapers, and remodelers are losing calls every day simply because they are not showing up where customers are searching. The frustrating part? Most of the time, it is not because the company does poor work. It usually comes down to a handful of digital marketing issues that are surprisingly fixable. Years ago, a basic website and a few directory listings could help a business rank locally. Today, Google expects far more. Search results are now heavily influenced by 1. Local SEO signals, 2. Mobile website performance, 3. Google Business Profile Optimization, 4. Reviews, 5. Service area relevance, 6. Helpful content, 7. Website trust and authority, 8. Consistent business information across the web. If even a few of these areas are weak, your company can disappear from search results while competitors collect the leads. A Florida HVAC company recently discovered this firsthand. The owner had been in business for nearly 20 years and relied mostly on referrals. Suddenly, calls slowed down dramatically during one of the hottest stretches of summer. The company assumed demand was down. It was not. After reviewing their online presence, several major issues appeared immediately. 1. Their Google business profile had outdated service areas. 2. The website was slow on mobile devices. 3. The homepage never mentioned the cities they actually served. 4. They had not posted new content in over 2 years. 5. Competitors had hundreds more Google reviews. Meanwhile, newer companies with far less experience were dominating local search results. Once those issues were corrected, visibility improved within weeks. Calls increased because the company became easier for nearby customers to find. This scenario is happening constantly across the home services industry. Many home service websites look decent visually but fail structurally. Google scans websites looking for clear information. If your pages are vague, thin, or poorly organized, Google may struggle to understand 1. Services you offer, 2. Where you work, 3. Which searches you should appear for, 4. Whether your business is trustworthy. For example, a page titled Our Services is far weaker than separate pages for 1. Water damage restoration, 2. Emergency plumbing repair, 3. AC installation, 4. Roof leak repair, 5. Kitchen remodeling. Specific pages give Google more confidence in what your business actually does. Your Google business profile is often the first thing customers see before they ever visit your website. An incomplete or neglected profile can seriously hurt visibility. Common problems include 1. Wrong phone number, 2. Old business hours, 3. Missing service categories, 4. Few reviews, 5. No recent photos, 6. No updates or posts, 7. Incorrect service areas. Home service companies that actively maintain their profile often perform significantly better in local search results. Fresh photos, customer reviews, accurate service descriptions, and regular updates all help strengthen local trust signals. Many business owners still think reviews are mainly about reputation. They also directly influence visibility. Google pays attention to 1. Quantity of reviews, 2. Review frequency, 3. Keywords mentioned naturally in reviews, 4. Overall rating, 5. Owner responses. A company with 12 reviews from 2022 will often struggle against a competitor with 150 recent reviews and active responses. The good news is that review growth does not need to happen overnight. A consistent process for requesting reviews after completed jobs can steadily improve local rankings. One of the biggest mistakes home service companies make is trying to rank broadly instead of locally. A roofing company does not need to rank nationwide. They need to rank in the specific communities they actually serve. That means your website should clearly mention 1. Cities, 2. Countries, 3. Neighborhoods, 4. Service areas, nearby landmarks, or regional references when appropriate. Localized content helps Google connect your business with nearby searches. Many contractors assume blog posts are unnecessary, but Google rewards businesses that regularly publish useful, relevant information. Helpful content can answer customer questions like, 1. How long does water damage cleanup take? 2. What causes low water pressure? 3. How often should HVAC systems be serviced? 4. What are the signs of hidden mold? This type of content builds authority and gives Google more reasons to index your website. It also helps your business appear in AI-generated search summaries and voice search results, which are becoming increasingly important. If your home service company is struggling to show up online, start with these priorities. 1. Optimize your Google business profile. Update categories, service areas, photos, business hours, and descriptions. 2. Improve your website structure. Create dedicated pages for individual services and locations. 3. Focus on mobile speed. Most customers search from phones. Slow websites lose both rankings and leads. 4. Ask for reviews consistently. Make review requests part of your normal workflow. 5. Publish helpful content. Educational blog posts help Google better understand your expertise. 6. Keep business information consistent. Your company name, address, and phone number should match everywhere online. Many home service companies are excellent at the work itself, but struggle with digital visibility. Unfortunately, being great at your trade does not automatically guarantee online exposure anymore. The companies winning local search today are the ones combining strong service with strong digital foundations. The good news is that most visibility problems are fixable. Small improvements in local SEO, content reviews, and website structure can dramatically improve how often your company appears when local customers search for help. You do the hard work in the field. Your website and local SEO should work just as hard for you online. Katapult Marketing helps home service companies turn Google searches into real calls and real customers. Most Florida businesses aren't invisible because they lack quality. They're invisible because they're sending weak or inconsistent signals to Google. The fix isn't complicated, it's targeted. Take action now. Dial in your local SEO strategy, strengthen your signals, and maintain consistent activity to boost your visibility and stay ahead of competitors quickly. Give us a call or drop me a DM. Let's get to work on transforming your marketing today. See you in the next one. Take care.